everybody, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing of my new Apple Airpods and a little case that I bought for it. I wasn't gonna make a video on this, but I love watching unboxing videos, so I decided just to go ahead and film one for the fun of it. So, yes, I have the same makeup and outfit from my last video, and that's because I'm recording it on the same day. Who would have guessed that? So that's why I look exactly the same as I did in my last video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my new Apple Airpods, which I wasn't even going to buy in the first place, and then I got suckered into it. I have the iPhone XS, and as most of you guys know, doesn't have a headphone jack. I've lost my adapter to use my headphones about 20 times now, and I'm completely tired of it. I've bought about 5 different pairs of wireless headphones that either break, go bad, or don't actually work with my phone at all, and I'm tired of it, so I just went ahead and spent my money on something that I know will work with my phone since it's Apple. That's why I got these, because I'm just tired of buying things and wasting my money on things that don't work. So I got this on Amazon for $160, I believe. I'll have the link for it down below if you guys are interested in buying it. Here is what the box looks like on the front. Here is what it looks like on the back. It's a really tiny box, nothing really too interesting at all. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and just open this little case that I bought that a lot of you guys asked me on Instagram, because I posted on my story what it was or what the link is for it. So I'll put the link for this down below if you guys are interested. It came in like 20 different colors, but I got pink. So this is literally just a pink case to put over the case for your AirPods. And it also comes with this really cute pink fluff ball, which I'm going to attach to my purse, so I always had my headphones on my purse. And it has a cute little gem right here, which I think is adorable. And then it also has this little wire so you could put your AirPods in it, and when you have them in your ears you won't lose them, because you'll have them, you know, like around your neck like most. A lot of wireless headphones come with these strings. I probably won't use this, but it's really cool to have that they even included it, and I believe this was like $10, so it wasn't very expensive, and this poof ball is really soft and it's really good quality. That's what I bought. I'll put it in there in a second, but I just wanted to show you guys this in case you already have AirPods and you're interested in buying a cute little case for it. So let's go ahead and just open this. So of course you have the little manuals and everything at the very top. I want to see if these come with stickers like most Apple products do. Oh, does not come with stickers. How disappointing, even though I already have like 20 of them just sitting around that I don't even use. Then we have the case right here with the AirPods in it. Just gonna take that out real fast, and I don't think there's anything else. Oh, we have the charger in the back when you pull that little slip out, which is just the normal charger that comes with all Apple products. So this, it doesn't come with a wall plug, but I mean most people just have a lot of wall plugs just sitting around, or you could buy one for pretty cheap online. So now I'm just going to ASMR this bit right here. And here is what the case looks like. It feels really nice. It feels, you know, expensive like most Apple things do. And that's what the back looks like. There's like a little button right here. And then it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And then you open it and surprise, surprise, there they are. The most expensive little headphones I will ever spend my money on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set it up like it tells me to do. So first it says to turn on my Bluetooth, which I already have on. It says turn on Bluetooth, connect AirPods, start listening. That is such good instructions right there. So I don't know if you need to like open them, turn it on, or if you need to press this button in the back. Oh! Right when I pressed the button, this popped up on my phone literally the second I pressed the button. So I'm just gonna press connect, and it says that my case is at 79% and my AirPods are at 84%. I think that's what it says, 85%. So okay, that's cool. Done, and they're connected. That was so fast. Okay, so I guess I'm just going to take them out real fast and put them in. Okay, they just made a noise. Right when I put them in my ears, a little headphone thing came in the corner. So I'm just gonna play a song and see how they sound. And I'm also gonna watch a YouTube video to see if the sound of the headphones hooks up to the video, because a lot of the problems that I had with the wireless headphones that I've bought, even replicas of the AirPods, is that it won't, like the voice and the video won't sync together, and it drives me insane. So that is one big problem that I've had. I'm gonna listen to Seeing Blind by Niall Horan. So I heard if you're listening to music and you take them out, if you take one out, that it stops. So I'm gonna try that. It did, okay. I really like that because if someone talks to you while you're listening to music, you can literally take your headphone out really fast, listen to them, put it right back in, and it starts immediately. Awesome. I know you guys literally cannot hear anything, so you don't like but first impressions wise, they sound better than the wired headphones that they give with like phones and iPads and everything, so I like that. But I'm going to watch a video, watching my own video. Yeah, it literally syncs right up with the video. So first impressions, I think that they sound great. I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna put them back in the little case. When you open it up, there's a little green dot at the top, and then you slide them in and they just hook in like little magnets, and the little dot turns orange like they're charging, I believe. And then I believe you charge this little case, and then the case has a certain charge, and the case charges the AirPods. So when your case is not charged, your AirPods won't charge. So that's how I think it works. But first impressions, I'm really excited to use these, and I'm gonna put them in the little case because the case is adorable. Oh, and the little charger's at the very bottom, by the way. You probably already know that, but. So the little case has a little opening down here where you can literally just charge it like that, and then you just like push the case into the charging port like that, and then it literally just closes over just like that and keeps the case all protected and clean because it is white and you don't want it to get dirty. And then I hooked the little case to this puff ball, which I could see how people would not want to do that because, you know, it might fall off or this little plastic part might break. So as long as you're, you know, keeping track of your AirPods pretty well, then you should be fine. And then this little clip would clip to anything that you want to clip it to. So that's the little case, which I think is adorable. I'm gonna hook it to my keys or my purse, so I always have them with me. And they just look like they're a little accessory. Unless someone knows what AirPods are, they probably wouldn't even recognize that it's electronic. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the Apple AirPods and also my first impressions. I'm going to use them for a couple weeks before I give like a full review, and I won't do a video on it, but I'll probably just post it on my Instagram or Twitter what I think about them. But for first impressions, I totally think they're worth the $160. I think they're really nice quality. They're really cute, really easy to sync to your phone, which I'm sure they're just as easy to sync to like your laptop or iPad or anything as well. So I'm gonna try that out a little bit later. I really like the way they feel in my ears. The normal wired Apple headphones, I like the feeling of them in my ears. I know a lot of people don't like them, but I like them. I feel like they're really comfortable. You can't really feel them in your ears too much, and they don't fall out really easily, which is nice. So yeah, there is my little review on my Apple AirPods. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.